Ready to turn Google News into a cash machine in 2024? Let's dive in. Here's the secret. Google News is a goldmine of trending content. First, pick a niche that excites you. Think tech, health, or finance. Next, head over to Google News and find the latest hot topics. Now, create engaging blog posts or videos about these trends. Add your personal touch and insights. Make sure to include eye-catching headlines and thumbnails. Next step, monetize. Use affiliate links, ads, or even sell your own products. The trick is to drive traffic to your content. Share it on social media, forums, and with your email list. Consistency is key. Post regularly and keep up with the trends. The more you post, the more you earn. So start today. Turn those news stories into dollars. Your $500 a day goal is just a click away. Happy earning. Now that you know how to create content from Google News, let's talk about optimizing it for maximum earnings. This is where the magic happens. First, let's focus on SEO. Make sure your titles and descriptions are rich with keywords related to your niche. This will help your content rank higher on search engines. Next, think about your audience. What problems are they facing? How can your content provide solutions? Addressing these questions will make your content more valuable and engaging. Don't forget to add high-quality images and videos. Visual content keeps viewers interested and can increase your site's dwell time. Another tip is to use social proof. Show testimonials, reviews, or case studies to build credibility. And finally, analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track which content is performing best. Double down on what works and tweak what doesn't. Optimization is an ongoing process, but it's worth it. Follow these steps and you'll see your earnings grow steadily. So, optimize, adapt, and watch your income soar. Let's make that $500 a day a reality. Welcome to Chapter 3, Monetizing Your Traffic Effectively. You've optimized your content, and now it's time to turn those views into dollars. The first and most straightforward way is through ad revenue. Join ad networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or Ezoic to display ads on your site. The more traffic you have, the more you'll earn from impressions and clicks. But don't stop there. Consider affiliate marketing as an additional revenue stream. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche and include affiliate links in your content. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. Another powerful method is creating and selling your own digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and exclusive memberships are excellent ways to monetize your expertise. Promote these products within your content and offer value that your audience can't resist. Subscription models can also be lucrative. Platforms like Patreon allow your most dedicated followers to support you financially in exchange for exclusive content or perks. Don't forget about sponsorships and partnerships. As your audience grows, brands will be interested in collaborating with you. Reach out to companies that align with your niche and negotiate deals that benefit both parties. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key to financial stability. By combining these monetization strategies, you can maximize your earnings and achieve that $500 a day goal. So explore, experiment, and monetize effectively. Welcome to Chapter 4, Tracking and Analyzing Your Performance. Now that you're equipped with various monetization strategies, it's crucial to measure your success and identify areas for improvement. First, let's talk about analytics tools. Google Analytics is a must-have for tracking website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Set up custom goals to monitor specific actions, such as clicks on affiliate links or downloads of your digital products. Next, consider using heat maps with tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg. These visual tools show you where users are clicking, scrolling, and spending the most time on your site. By understanding user behavior, you can optimize your content layout and improve user experience, ultimately leading to higher engagement and conversions. Don't overlook the power of A/B testing. Platforms like Optimizely allow you to test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in performance. Social media analytics are equally important. Use built-in analytics tools on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to track engagement, reach, and follower growth. Identify which types of posts perform best and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. Email marketing analytics should not be ignored either. Tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. Segment your audience and personalize your emails to increase engagement and drive more traffic to your content. Lastly, keep an eye on your revenue streams. Regularly review your earnings from ad networks, affiliate programs, and product sales. Identify trends and seasonal patterns that can help you plan future content and promotions. By consistently tracking and analyzing your performance, you can make data-driven decisions that enhance your monetization efforts. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So, dive into the data, uncover insights, and continuously optimize your strategies for maximum earnings. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success in making money with Google News in 2024. Welcome to Chapter 5, Scaling Up Your Efforts for Long-Term Success. Now that you've mastered the basics and have a solid understanding of tracking and analyzing performance, it's time to think bigger. How do you take your Google News monetization strategy to the next level? First, consider expanding your content team. Bringing in freelance writers, editors, and graphic designers can help you produce more high-quality content in less time. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to find talented professionals who can contribute to your project. Next, leverage automation tools to streamline your workflow. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can automate your social media posts, while Zapier can integrate various apps to automate repetitive tasks. This way you can focus more on strategy and less on execution. Another effective strategy is diversifying your income streams. Don't rely solely on one method of monetization. Explore additional avenues like sponsored content, membership sites, and even digital products like ebooks or online courses. This not only increases your revenue but also mitigates risk. Investing in advertising can also provide a significant boost to your efforts. Use Google Ads, Facebook ads, or even native advertising platforms like Taboola to drive targeted traffic to your site. Paid advertising can amplify your reach and bring in new audiences who might not have discovered your content organically. Networking and partnerships can further propel your success. Collaborate with other content creators, influencers, or brands in your niche. Joint ventures, guest posts, or co-hosted webinars can introduce your content to a wider audience and build valuable relationships. Continuously educate yourself and stay updated with industry trends. Subscribe to newsletters, join online forums, and attend webinars or conferences. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. Lastly, set long-term goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Whether it's reaching a certain number of daily visitors, earning a particular revenue milestone, or launching a new product, having clear objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Remember, scaling up is not just about growing bigger, but also growing smarter. By expanding your team, automating tasks, diversifying income, investing in ads, forging partnerships, and staying educated, you set the stage for sustainable, long-term success. Thank you for watching, and here's to scaling new heights in your journey to make money with Google News in 2024 and beyond. Welcome to Chapter 6, Building a Strong Brand Identity. As you continue to scale up your efforts for long-term success, it's crucial to establish a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from the competition. First, define your brand's core values and mission. What do you stand for? What unique value do you offer to your audience? Having a clear vision will not only guide your content creation but also attract like-minded followers who share your values. Next, create a consistent visual and voice identity. This includes your logo, color scheme, typography, and even the tone of your content. Consistency across all platforms, whether it's your website, social media, or email newsletters, helps build recognition and trust. Engage with your audience regularly to foster a sense of community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create interactive content like polls or Q&A sessions. Building a community around your brand can lead to loyal followers who advocate for you and even become repeat customers. Storytelling is another powerful tool in building your brand. Share your journey, successes, and even failures. Authentic stories can make your brand more relatable and human, creating an emotional connection with your audience. Leverage user-generated content to amplify your brand's reach. Encourage your audience to share their experiences with your content or products and feature their stories on your platforms. This not only provides social proof, but also shows that you value your community's input. Monitor your brand's online presence and reputation. Use tools like Google Alerts or Mention to track what people are saying about you. Address any negative feedback constructively and use it as an opportunity to improve. Lastly, continually evolve your brand. As your audience grows and market trends change, be willing to adapt and innovate. Regularly review your brand strategy to ensure it aligns with your goals and resonates with your audience. Building a strong brand identity is a dynamic and ongoing process, but it's a vital component of your long-term success. By defining your values, maintaining consistency, engaging with your audience, leveraging storytelling, and staying adaptable, you'll create a brand that stands the test of time. Thank you for watching, and continue to build a brand that not only makes money but also makes a difference.